ang wala pang talo at first seed na Rain or Shine kalaban ang Alaska Aces sa second game ng ating triple header Wednesday sa Philippine Cup. What's up sa inyo mga Hooper? It's your boy here. Welcome back sa Kalo Hoops. Elasto Painters looking to get stronger and stronger as they go for 4-0, while Aces trying to get back their momentum and redeem after losing second straight. Pag-usapan pa muna natin ang Rain or Shine. Ang kanilang huling laro ay kontra Meralco Bolt nung Sabado and they played really well and executed their game plan. Sila ang nagbigay sa Bolts ng kanilang unang bahid o talo na yung Philippine Cup. Ang isang dahilan kung bakit sila nanalo ay yung second quarter surge na doon nagsimula ang fight back ng Rain or Shine coming from a 10-point deficit. At ang mga nagpakitang gilas ay sina JV Mocon na may 18 points at si Bo Belga na may double-double performance with 17 points at 10 rebounds. At swabe-swabe ang mga galaw niya. Sabi ng kanilang coach na si Chris Gavina, I'm really grateful na our players, sila Bo, sila Gabe, JV Ray, they set the standard from day one. And I've said it before, when your best players are your hardest workers, your culture gets set organically. Pre-game speech ko, sinabi ko na going up against a 2-0 Meralco team which is play extremely well, we will need a gold standard para lang makapanalo kami na yon. We're happy and we're blessed na we came out with a victory. Magtutuloy-tuloy na kaya ang success ng Rain or Shine na yung season? Malalaman natin yan sa mga susunod na laro. Para naman sa Alaska, Phoenix outplayed them in their last game nung Sabado. Alaska started strong sa kanilang unang laro kontra Blackwater. They played really well versus Magnolia but they fall short, and this game around we'll see na parang nawala na ng gana ang Alaska na maglaro. Their 3-point shooting are only 28% or 6 out of 21 from the field, and that's the difference of the game. Sa ibang stat line maganda naman ang numbers but yung 3-point shooting is one of their secret weapon at pag nag-init na, watch out for them. Ang nagpakitang gilas para sa Aces ay si Gab Banal na may 17 points, Trotter 16, and Herdon with 13, but that's not enough for them. Makakabawi kaya ang Aces? Makuha ang bounce back win at i-upset ang Rain or Shine? Malalaman natin yan sa laro nila bukas. Kayo mga Hooper, sino sa tingin nyo ang mananalo? Komento lang po ang inyong opinion sa baba. Patuloy po tayo tumutok dito sa Kalo Hoops for more updates, videos, and highlights of the Philippine Cup. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit na rin ang bell button para laging updated kung may bago man akong video. Ito po si Kalo Hoops ang sasabi sa inyo na magsumuka sa buhay, laban lang, peace out, stay safe tayong lahat.